Hello guys, welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to discuss about build IT project experience with software testing. So the first point is going to be why live projects are helpful for trainees. There are various reasons like real world experience, like you will get real world experience when you are working over the live project, exposure to different testing tools and techniques. Yes, when you are working over the live project, when you are working with the latest project, then you are going to use all the tools and techniques which are most used in the market. Understanding the requirement. When you are working for the project, then you will get to know that what is required for your project or what is not. Building a portfolio. You guys are going to work over the live projects that will enhance your chances to get a job as soon as possible because you guys are going to mention that in your resume. Collaborating with other team members. Collaborating with other team members means like you guys are going to work with business analysts, developers, whatever the persons who are going to take participate in your project, you guys are working with them. There are few more reasons like participants gain practical experience in software testing. You guys are going to learn how to apply testing techniques in real world scenarios. You guys are going to develop problem solving and critical thinking skills. You are the one who is going to report and track the defect. Project based training encourages testers to think outside the box and come up with innovative solutions. Once you are working for your project, when you are owning the responsibility of any project, then you are going to work outside the box and you will think some new ideas, some innovative things, so by which your project will be become successful. Now, there are definitely few challenges which you are needed to overcome and you will face in your this project-based program. The first thing is going to be planning and prioritizing tasks can help manage time constraints. Overcoming challenges requires planning, prioritization, and effective communication. As we all know that if you want to get a job in any company, the first requirement is going to be like communication skills they want. So you need to improve your communication, and once you are doing in the live project, once you are working with for that, then you will definitely increase your communication skills. Agile methodologies can help manage project scope and adapt to unexpected issues. When you're working for any project, when you're working for your project, you can say, then you are facing day-to-day issues or any problems of whatever you are facing while doing the project. So you are going to fix that thing. Managing project scope and dealing with unexpected issues can be challenging. Now, what are you going to work? So you guys are going to work for two portals. The first two portals like e-learning portal and e-commerce portal. These are the two domains where you guys are working, and some prerequisites are knowledge of Eclipse, Java, Selenium WebDriver, TestNG, Maven, project structure, GitHub. We separated for both the programs. That is really great that we come up with this thing. Like if someone wants to learn project for just manual testing so that they can acquire that thing. If someone wants project program for automation, then they will go for that. So what you are going to learn in manual testing, let me tell you. The first thing and the last thing you guys are going to learn like test cases, test plan, defects, reports, putting test cases into JIRA, following agile methodology, writing user stories, using reports, creating traceability metrics. These are the things which you learned in your training, but you don't know how to implement these things. That is why we come up with this project. In automation testing, you guys are going to learn automating test scripts, develop frameworks, page object model, page factory, behavior driven development, data driven testing, hybrid driven testing, integrating the project using GitHub and Jenkins, by which you will get a certified automation tester, and then you will have some experience like how to work over in the company. We fix a very nominal price for this program. So this is the information, like the fee for this program is just going to be $350, and the duration is going to be 12 plus hours, and it is available on the weekends or weekdays also. So we will fix your schedule according to your availability. The mode is going to be online. So where you are working, wherever you are, like if you are in different city from London, you can join that. Method is going to be instructor led, definitely all the time you have the instructor access. You can ask any question whenever you are facing problem. Instructors are there to help you. If you think that yes, it will be really helpful for you, so just please call us on 800-543-5571, or for more updates, please watch our videos on this channel. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.